Welcome to Fundae Sundae. What is Fundae Sundae? It's a fun day on a Sunday. We are giving free lessons. We are skating together. We're seeing cool tricks like that. Are you kidding me? Today is epic. Fundae Sundae. Why are we here? We're here because we're a brand, right? We're Moxi. We have a website where you may have gotten your skates and all your accessories, moxiskates.com. We sit at desk, we pack your orders, we do all that stuff, which is really important, but we're all skaters. And what do we like to do most? Skate. Where do you do skating? You do it at a skate park, and you want to meet people and you want to do community outreach. Community outreach can be anything from free lessons like we're doing today. It can be being like, here's some free coffee, here's some free cocoa. Fundae Sundae is going to have different opportunities for community outreach, whether it's a food drive, whether it's clothing swaps, where it's going to be anything that we know people really need in the world, in the neighborhood, in the city we go to. We really want to give back, because when it comes to the end of the day, yes, we're the brand Moxi, but the meaning of Moxi is like having this spirit and this care and like being like super excited. And we want to take that true meaning and go back to the roots of what Moxi really is meant to be. And that's all about the skater. So here we are.